Welcome to Market Mornings, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. My name is Robert Roy, and this update is for Monday, December 19th, 2022. As we jump in, keep in mind everything we look at is for educational purposes. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. And if you like what you see, folks, make sure you follow along, ring the bell, subscribe to the channel on YouTube to get all the latest and greatest updates of what's going on. Make sure you follow along with us on all of the other various social platforms that we have out there to keep up with our latest and our greatest. And I definitely want to talk about one of those platforms today to make sure that you are checking out what we do about this show right here. I'm excited. Finally got some great news on it. All right, with that, let's jump in. So we're going to start off with economic reports first. We ain't got any. At least not for today, we don't. Or tomorrow. We do have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, one major report each day. Nothing critical, but one major report each day. I don't expect any tremendous moves out of any of those this week as we're running into the holidays. But, you never know what can trigger and cause the market to shift. All right? Where I talked about, following along the various social platforms, you've got tradinglikeaboss.com, which is where we have all of our free content listed up there. Never miss out on what's here, folks. There's always something new popping up on this page. Sometimes they're short-lived, maybe a free training that I'm doing. But brand new, the very top, right in the middle, Market Mornings with Robert Roy. When you click on that link, it takes you here, and all you do is put in your name and your email address. And guess what? You're going to get an email that says, hey, today's update's there. So you'll know when it's out. You're not looking or forgetting, I missed out on that one today. And of course, that's the one that I really wanted to trade, right? You're going to get all of that right to your email box. So don't miss out on that. All right. So if we go over to the markets today, everything's green, right? The ES is up 11, the Dow's up 69, the Nasdaq's up 45, RUT's up 4. Bitcoin is down, back, still under 17K. Ethereum is under 1200, 1179. Gold's up 5, really not a big deal. Crude's up $0.50 to 74.5, 75 rather, up a half, 50 cents. Price is good. I mean, we saw 315 by us this week. 325 is pretty much average where we are now, 325.29. I know a buddy of mine that's in California was very excited that it broke 7 again, where he's at. So he's like, 2 thumbs up, baby. Without a doubt. I'm looking to see what Costco's price is, if they broke the $2.99 yet or not. All right, let's go take a look at our candidates for today. The very first thing is Apple. So Apple's got their AR glasses, big deal right now. They're up about $1. That puts them right about 135.5. So guys, we're still in an overall bearish bias, okay? I'm going to list Apple down because I do like Apple, and you got the midst of a potential bounce, Santa Claus rally, all of that. I'm going to put Apple down as an aggressive entry with a bull put spread below 134, A for aggressive. Right? Alibaba, China. Excuse me. You can check out some of the other China stocks as well, but COVID restrictions being relieved, right? Or eased up on. So when we look at Alibaba, they're up about $3 right now to 89.5. It puts them above our 88.20. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to look at a bull put spread below 85. And that's the 21 EMA. For solar, all right, they got an upgrade by Goldman Sachs to one of their top picks for the year. First Solar is up 93 cents right now. Solar has still had a big push this year, period, because of what's going on in the U.S. with the government and getting rid of energy that is non-replaceable, right? That is not, I can't think of the word. Anyway, getting rid of oil, right? And pushing towards solar and wind and things like that. They've had a great boost already. And now this upgrade to a top pick is big news for them. So they're at 156 right now. We're going to look at a bull put spread below 151. Right? Moderna, woo! They got an upgrade by Jefferies. Right? They are up big time this morning. Almost $8 to 200.5, we'll call it. Right? Let me go back and see the bigger picture of the fib. All right, there we go. Odds are more better. Okay. Now I get a better understanding where we're at. So we're sitting at 201 right now. We got just above the 200. So we're going to look at a bull put spread below 194. 194. Right? And then last but not least, Tesla. Twitter poll comes out from Elon Musk this week. Should I step down as CEO from Tesla? Should I step down for not Tesla? Sorry, Twitter. And just astoundingly, not surprisingly, yes. Get out of there. Tesla is up $5. He said Musk said he's going to abide by the poll. So now the interesting is going to be when. Does he already have somebody as CEO there? I think you see a 5 to 10% pop on Tesla just from that alone, just that changeover of CEO. This tear to the downside. Yes, we're seeing some slowdown in the EV markets, but not to the extent of how Tesla has been punished, right? So I think that can be very beneficial. I think Musk hopefully remains on the board for Twitter. I think that would be a big help for them. So we're going to look at a bull put spread below 147. So Apple, right? We're going to go back to Apple real quick. Apple becomes, we did the bull put spread on that, or an option, right? A long option. Very same thing for Tesla, or a long option. Right? What do I mean by that? Apple, Tesla, both of them are on my power option plays list. These are ones that I look to trade day in and day out. I know these stocks, I know their heartbeats, I know how they react, so I'm okay with that. First Solar, I'm familiar with. Moderna, I'm familiar with. Baba, we used to trade a lot. Baba, maybe. But if we're doing XYZ stock and you don't know who they are, stick with the credit spread. All right, ladies and gentlemen, make it a profitable day. Stay focused on the quest of becoming a great trader. Keep crushing it, and remember, you're just one trade away. Take care, everybody. Do not forget, do not forget, a lot of work into this. Go over to tradinglikeaboss.com, register for market mornings. What's going to happen is you're going to get an email. And that email is just going to say, it's up, it's ready. Click here, and you're not even going to have to go look for it on YouTube. It's going to be housed on a page that we're going to send you to, the same page every day. We're going to send you there, and you'll have the brand new video up and running. All right, take care, everybody. I will see you tomorrow. Bye for now.